Northerners, where are we? What are we looking for? Where are we now? Please let us rise up. Look at what these Fulanis are importing. Their goods is just been delivered to them now to show us that they are ready for war in this country. Wow, wow, wow. I just opened my mouth and I cannot close it. Look at what these Fulanis are doing. Look at the arms and ammunition they are loading now. Look at what? God. I cannot believe it. South, east, southwest. Please let us rise up. These people are prepared for war. They've already prepared for the war. I cannot believe this. May God not let them unleash terror on us. What? I couldn't believe my eyes. Ọmọ Yoruba, ẹ má jẹ́ ká sún o, ẹ má jẹ́ aṣáṣù para o. Ẹ wo tú táwọn Fúlàní yìí ń pa. Ẹ wo ọta àbọ̀. Ẹ wo ìbọn bó ti tó. Níbo ni wọ́n ti rí gbé wọlé? Wàhálà dé, ọmọ Yorùbá dìde. Jọ̀ọ́ mi subscribe sí channel yìí. Please help me subscribe to this channel. Please help us share this video and put what is your own comment. Put it on the comment section. Press the